Object-oriented design says that both behavior and its relevant data should live together in the object. If in an object A, a method or part of a method for internal processing uses data from an object B, we say that the object A envies object B. In refactoring terminology, this is known as the FeatureEnvy code smell. In this example, our jealous waiter here on the left wants to warn a customer that he might be allergic to some of the food he's ordering. The problem is that to do so, the jealous waiter needs to do some additional processing using data that lives in another object. In this case, the ingredients from the food object. We could say that the jealous waiter is jealous on the food ingredients. In order to fix this code smell, we should move the method that doesn't belong there to the object where it belongs. But in this case, it is not the whole method place order that doesn't belong. It is just a part of it. So we will need to first extract the offending part and then move it. Before starting, remember that we need to make sure that our code is covered with unit tests. So let's run our tests and get started. I'm going to run this test. They are passing. We have two paths, a happy path and a sad path, where the waiter places the order and where the waiter doesn't place the order. This is the part of the code that we believe the waiter is jealous on. So, because it uses this variable save to eat, I'm going to bring it closer so that when I refactor it out, I extract it into a method, it suggests me a name and also creates me a method with a boolean return type. I'll reformat the code, and now that I have this extracted, I can inline it. The next step would be to move this where it belongs. So I'm going to move it to food. Now we can say that the waiter is no longer jealous, so the FeatureEnvy is gone. Let's rename the waiter to waiter because he's no longer jealous. And let's run the tests again. So the tests are still green. But we are not quite done yet, because now this functionality lives elsewhere, and if we want to continue refactoring, we probably need to test this. So let's do that. Let me close this other window so we can focus in here. And let's close the waiter also. We will need some ingredient, let's say ingredient A, and we're gonna call this test should be safe to eat. So if food is safe to eat, and our list of allergies is empty, so let's say we have no allergies, or our allergies are known alongside those in the in the ingredients, then it should be safe to eat. So let's do an assertion. So that's a happy patty scenario. Let's create a should not be safe to eat. So let's now create an A. So that's a sad patty scenario. So now that we have this code covered, let's go here and notice that we shouldn't be needing to do this how do you call accumulator variable in here. We could just return. So at the moment you find something that you are allergic to, just return. And otherwise return true. It's little refactors one by one, so the tests are still green, and that's it. Here, let's leave it like this for now. So this is how you can get rid of FeatureEnvy by moving the offending behavior to the class where it belongs. Thank you very much.